everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to explain how you can use an Excel formula to basically extract data from a long string of data. So I recently had this problem where I needed to scan some barcodes for different products, and what it came up with when I scanned this rather large barcode was all the numbers that I needed, but they were separated. They was in the same string, similar to this string here, all separated by a delimiter. So rather than go through them and individually manipulate all the data into single cells, what I instead did was wrote a quick formula. So if you have this problem or a similar problem, or you want to extract data, specific parts of data from a string in Excel, this is essentially what you need to do. We're going to use the mid formula. Okay, so what this does is it basically, you define a starting point within your data set and you tell it how many characters that you want, and it removes them. It doesn't technically remove them, it just copies them out of that cell. So you can see in this string of data here, I've got the numbers that I want separated by this delimiter here. So the formula I'm going to use is mid. So the way this formula works is equals mid, and then what you need to do is open brackets. This is going to be the text that you're interested in, so we're going to reference cell A1, that's where my text is. Then it says comma start number. So I want my very first character, so I press comma. My first character is my starting point, and then you see here it's asking you for the number of characters. This is the length of the data that you need. So in my case it's 5, so comma 5, and if I press enter, it's just going to give me those numbers. Now if I wanted to do this for the next set, I would just replicate this formula, but instead I'd have a different starting position. So 5 plus 1 is 6, so my starting position would be the 7th character. So equals mid, open brackets, the text I want, comma, starting position of 7, length of 5, enter, my next set. Now you don't have to type the formula out completely. What you can instead do is just copy the formula, paste it in. Let me do that again. Copy the formula, paste it into the cell, okay? And then you just edit this number here. So instead of 7, we would then have, is it 13? 13. Okay, so you just replicate that down for how long your string of data is. Okay, I hope that helps. This was the mid formula. If this has helped you, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.